Welcome to another event here at Timber Creek Speedway. Today, it's the modified muscle cars' turn to try and break the current track record, which was set by Automobile from Ruckus Racing in our recent modified muscle cars tournament. Will one of our drivers break the record, or will Automobile hang on to the crown of our modified record time? Well, let's crack on and find out, as this event is going to see some intense sprints. Okay, let's go. Our first contender is Ragin' Ricky from Oregon Outcast in the Hot Wheels 69 Oldsmo Cutlass. Not too bad a time in lane 1, but his next run will need to be fast. Now that's a tasty looking time in lane 2, but will it be enough? Wow, that's a fast combined time for sure, but not fast enough. Thanks for racing here at Timber Creek Ricky. See you again soon. Beam Racing is next, in a classic Hot Wheels Corvette. Not bad, and it's a little faster than what he got in the first round of the event. And that time in lane 2 is a little quicker this time too, but it's not going to break the track record. Overall, it's not a bad time, but thanks for racing our track Beam Racing. And we hope to see you soon again as well. Now we have the Kev from P-Fog Racing in that candy-colored Hot Wheels Mustang. That's a little quicker too for lane 1, but he's going to have to make it count now in lane 2. And that's almost the same time as he got in lane 1, but I'm not sure this is going to combine as a record breaker. Nope, sorry Kev, but thank you for visiting us here at Timber Creek Speedway. See you again soon. Low-level racing is up on the plate next, in that good old classic Matchbox Cougar. Wow, that's a slower run than what he did in the event. Oh man, and that sprint was slower as well. What a shame. Sorry, low-level racing, you've raced a good race, but I really hope you'll come back again in that good old classic car. The Hot Wheels Mercury Cougar is next from Chase Family Racing. Let's now see if he can get some payback. Ooh yeah, that's a sure nice looking time in lane 1. And that's what we want to see, bringing it home in lane 2. Nice. And that's how you do it. Well done, Chase Family Racing. You've just beaten the track record. That's some proper awesome sauce. Okay, next is Conrad Racer in that Hot Wheels Mustang. Not a bad time, but a little slower than the event round. And that's not a lot quicker in lane 2 either. Overall, not the fastest time he got in the event, but thanks Conrad Racer for racing our track. We hope to see you back here again soon. Next up is Rowan from Uncle Elvis in that 69 Hot Wheels Chevelle. That's a better time than what he got in the event, but his next run needs to be a lot faster. That's also a quicker time, but I don't think it's enough to break the newly set record. And no, it's not, but that's a nice total anyway. Thanks Rowan for racing with us, and we hope to see you back here again soon. Nitro Burner is next with that Hot Wheels Dodge Challenger. That's a slower time in lane 1. I hope he didn't have the handbrake on. And that's a slower time too, but let's see how it combines. Yeah, that's not a record breaker, but nice looking car, and we hope to see you again at our track soon. Ricochet is next from Ruckus Racing in that 69 Hot Wheels Mustang Boss. And that's a nice looking time, and just a little faster than the event. Not bad in lane 2, but will it combine to be a record breaker? Unfortunately it won't, but thank you so much for racing with us here at Timber Creek Speedway. Can Burnout Champ in that Hot Wheels Corvette make up for the times in the event? That is a quicker time for him in lane 1, but it's not going to help get that record. That's a little faster as well in lane 2, but again, no broken record here. Not the fastest time you'd want, but thanks for joining us, Burnout Champ. See you again soon. Automobile from Ruckus Racing is next, and let's see if the record can be taken back with that Hot Wheels Thunderbird. That's a quick time in lane 1, but now it means lane 2 needs to be ultra fast to win. That's a nice time, but will it add up to win back the crown? No, it's not fast enough, this time, but thanks for being a great competitor, and of course race winner, here at Timber Creek Speedway. Tamiya Fan is back with us in his gassed up Hot Wheels Mustang. Nice run in lane 1, but lane 2 is now going to have to be faster. That is a faster time for Tamiya Fan, but it's not going to be enough. Nice combined time, but not a record breaker either. Thanks Tamiya Fan, we hope to see you back again soon. Carl Recco is back, representing HSL Motorsports in his Hot Wheels Firebird. Not a shabby time at all in lane 1, but lane 2 will have to be a fast one now. An almost identical time, but I don't think it will combine to win the crown. It doesn't, but I'd be happy with that result. Thanks for racing with us, Carl, and be sure to come back again soon. Ozboy USA is back, on the track with his Hot Wheels Dodge Challenger. Will the home track be the advantage now? Not in this lane, as it's slower than the event time. That's a faster time in lane 2, but it's not going to help him win. Keeping it under 8 is a result, but I'm sure we'll see more practice laps over the coming weeks. It's the Owlman next from HSL Motorsports in that good old Hot Wheels Dart. Now that's a slow time in lane 1, and it's not going to help at all. And another slightly slower time here, so it's not going to combine for the win. Not to worry, Owlman, maybe next time. But it was great to have you and your teammate race with us. See you again soon. And finally, we have Gray, representing for Sloppy Bear, in that nice looking Hot Wheels Camaro. That's a slower time for Gray in lane 1. Let's see him make the next run faster. And that's a little slower too, so it doesn't look like a winning time now for Gray. No, it's not a record breaker, but it sure was nice to see that Camaro compete. Thanks for racing with us, Gray, and we hope to see you join us again soon as well. So that's the time trials for muscle cars done, and now we have a new record holder. Well done, Chase Family Racing. That's a fast time, and I know it's going to be a tough one to beat, but we're now super excited to see who can come and take the crown. If you think you've got the car that can beat our new track record for a modified entry, please join us at our next modified event. For more details, visit our website, where you can subscribe and benefit from all our track news, stories, event announcements, and more. I'm Vince, and we look forward to seeing you at our track soon.